very talented Nusrat, along with, let's put our hands together everyone, along with our director of the movie, Pranay Meshram, our producers, Nitin, Nendir, let's have them here. Ninad, Nitin, Shashant, and of course, Vicky Sadana. Let's put our hands together everyone. I'll request everyone, please settle down. I think because the questions will come from media, so it's better if you have a seat and be comfortable. Welcome to Delhi, first of all of you, the team Akeli. So, Nusrat, it was you who chose the script. And so how was it? How was the journey playing the character? Because you liked the script so much, you chose the script. So how was the journey playing the character? There's so many emotions we can see: anger, fear, agony. So just share your journey of playing the character of a simple girl in the movie Akeli.
Hi, how is everybody? Sorry, थोड़ा लेट हो गया. बहुत important meeting चल रही थी. That bad. बट अकेली एक्चुअली मुझे 3 साल पहले आई थी, लॉकडाउन के पहले. दैट मैन हैड नरेटेड इट टू मी, हु इज द डायरेक्टर, एंड दैट मैन ब्रॉट इट टू मी, हु इज विकी सुदाना. मैंने पहले सुन के तो मना कर दी थी. मैंने कहा नहीं ये नहीं कर सकते, ये मतलब मुझे नहीं समझ आ रही. फिर 1 साल रुकी, फिर दूसरे साल दैट मैन केम अगेन एंड सेड कि नहीं करनी चाहिए, बहुत अच्छी फिल्म है, आप एक बार मेरी तरफ से देखो. मैं एक और नरेशन कर रहा हूँ, कुछ चीज़ें चेंज करते हैं. तो आई थिंक इट इज़ द टू ऑफ देम, दैट एंड दैट डायरेक्टर एंड विकी सदाना, हु इज प्रोड्यूसर नाउ एंड ऑल्सो कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर, हु इज कास्टेड मी इन ऑल माई फिल्म्स, जिन्होंने मतलब इतना कन्विंस कर दिया मुझे कि आपको ये फिल्म करनी ही करनी है. और लॉकडाउन जैसे ही ख़त्म हुआ है, इन्होंने मुझे बिल्कुल वक्त नहीं दिया है कुछ और करने के लिए. मुझे सीधा उज़्बेकिस्तान, कहाँ नहीं, दिल्ली, अमृतसर, चंडीगढ़, पता नहीं कहाँ लेके गए और बोला बस ये फिल्म ख़त्म करनी है, ये फिल्म शूट करनी है. तो फिर आज में ऑनेस्टली मैंने इनके कन्विक्शन भी की है. मुझे सच में नहीं समझ आ रहा था ये कैसे बनेगी, मैं कैसे करूँगी. बहुत मुश्किल स्पेस था, बहुत अलग स्पेस था. एंड आई वॉज कमिंग फ्रॉम जनहित, छोरी एंड अ लॉट ऑफ अदर फिल्म्स, कि दिस वॉज वेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर मी टू टेक ऑन. बट वेल दे कन्विंस्ड मी एंड वी आर हियर. एंड आई थिंक इट्स माई फास्टेस्ट रिलीज ऑल्सो. वी फिनिश शूटिंग इट जस्ट नाउ. And we're in theaters, so yeah, we're here.
It has come up so amazing, and we can see the curiosity now in the audience. And can I request Team Akeli to please have a seat? So my next question will be from the director Pranay. Pranay, we've seen the most talented Israeli actors. We've seen them in the most renowned, series, and now you have directed them. So what were the challenges you faced, since they're not Indians, they're not from here, Bollywood? So what were the challenges you faced?
So technically they are like established actors anyways, and there's as far as acting is concerned, I didn't have to tell them anything. They just read the part, they knew what they had to do, they came on set and they just performed it. So challenges wise there was nothing. Maybe language here and there, maybe because they are Israeli actors, and communication would have been a little, not all the time, because they knew English. It's just that they don't speak like the way we do. So language, probably communication would be a problem, but nothing apart from that, I would say, because they just knew the moment they came on set, they knew what they had to do. They just were there and they were like brilliant.
Oh, that's amazing. And the movie is based on true stories. So what was the inspiration behind bringing the movie on the big screen?
So, like a few years back, I got to know about this female. She lives in the Middle East right now, and I was quite intrigued about like listening to her story. And I thought, like, this is a space which has not been explored before in our country and in our cinema. So I thought this would be a good story to tell about this woman. But then obviously she had some apprehensions about not giving her name outside, and she said, "Oh, I can only make it if I keep her, if I don't speak about her, like give her name or something, I keep her under the wrap or whatever." So then that's how I started writing about the film. But when I researched more further, I got to know there are a lot of other people people who go to various countries for jobs, to Saudi or to other countries, and they face the same kind of, here a problem is ISIS, but they face these problems with their employers or whoever they get them a job. So they struggle to come back and you know, stuff like that. So I thought this is a good story and a good space to explore. So that's how I started writing about it, and then we approached Nusrat and then
Did approach. Actually, like, India took her on set and said, do this.
yeah.
Wow, that's amazing. Now, my last question will be from our producer, Ninal. So you're venturing into Hindi films. So how was your experience?
Hello. The experience was fantastic, first of all, but I must mention that I have a long list of thank yous, because how it happened, it was a journey for all of us. It started in his mind, first of all. You know, when we heard this story, when Vicky heard the story from Pranay, and basically from that day we had Nusrat in our mind. We literally kept chasing and no, ये करना है, and she said yes, ये करना है, but कैसे करना है? And actually इसकी shooting last August में शुरू हो गई. 27th August we started to shoot in Uzbekistan. There are a lot of interesting stories which Nusrat and Pranay will tell you later on about this shoot. But it was a fantastic journey, and it's a dream come true for all of us that we are actually releasing this film on 18th August in theaters. That's the way which, when we started, we dreamed of, and which is actually going to happen now. So we are all thrilled, excited, and happy.
And we are also equally curious to see the movie on 18th August. Now we are going to open the house for our media friends to please put across all the questions. So can we please pass on the mic?
Can I say something before the question? Sorry. ये पहली बार है when I'm on a stage जहाँ actors से ज़्यादा producers बैठे हैं. But मैं इसका logic बता देती हूँ. इनके बिना ये film नहीं हो सकती थी. Ninad sir has come on my set while I was shooting another film which is directed by him, he Shashank Shah. He's directed a film with me. ये उनके सेट पे आ गए और इनको भी खींच लिया कि नुसरत भी है, आप भी हो, हम सब साथ में फिल्म बनाएंगे. ये इनके नितिन सर, निनाद सर, इनके बिना फिल्म नहीं बनती. वी आर इन अ टाइम एंड एज जहाँ फिल्म्स का बिजनेस बहुत सफ़र कर रहा है. बट वी हैव हैड प्रोड्यूसर्स एंड आई एम वेरी हैप्पी टू बी ऑन अ स्टेज विद देम because they've taken a gutsy move and they've decided to go all out on this film and to do a proper film theatre release and to bring it back to the audiences. तो ये एक actor, एक director से मतलब हमारा सपना है ये. They've made us, they've actually brought our dream to reality on celluloid by taking it to theatres. So that is why there are more of them than us, which is absolutely justified and fine. So thank you guys really for making this film, for not making me Akili. In the true sense of it.
Hi,
Well-
hi, this is Seema.
Hi, Seema.
The film is based on the true story.
Ji.
So, how challenging was it for you to perform the role of this girl, and what sort of research did you do? Was there any mental pressure also?
I think this was one of the reasons why I was saying no to the film in the first place, or I was a little hesitant to it. Because आप जब किसी की कहानियाँ, ये बहुत लोगों की भी कहानी हो सकती थी. Not necessarily कि मैं उनसे मिली हूँ या मैं उनको जानती हूँ. It's not easy to do a film where somebody has gone through these things in reality, because we are eventually just performing it. They've lived it. And I'm very, very conscious and very, very careful about that, because I feel like if I don't bring their pain, their laughter, their tears in the real sense to the audience, then I'm doing a disservice to that story and that person. So we were very careful. We knew exactly what not to do. I think in a film like this, what's most important is what not to do. करने के लिए तो बहुत कुछ कर सकते हो, but क्या चीज़ें आपको नहीं करनी चाहिए, जिससे ये थोड़ी सी गड़बड़ हो सकती है, थोड़ा ज़्यादा unnatural हो जाए, या वो connect ना करे audience को, बहुत ज़रूरी है. I think which is why you needed Shashank sir, you needed Pranay, you needed Vicky, you needed Nath sir, you needed Nitin, you needed the whole panel of animation. You needed everybody because one person's outlook could not have justified it. So I think because ये cumulative effort था, ये मेरे लिए आसान हो गया. They were on set helping me get in and out of it. They were guiding me through it. They were talking me through it. If there were times where to be able to be her and do that scene, I needed everybody to leave. They have literally made the whole set disappear. There's only me and the camera and maybe an actor. Just because I can do those scenes, because that's a very personal space of the scene that इतने लोगों के बीच में perform नहीं हो पाता. तो मैं I can tell you that honestly this was possible because I had this team.
Hi.
Hi.
First of all, congratulations to all of you.
Thank you.
And my question is, what do you think these kind of plots are now become like trend these days because love stories में आजकल वो बात नहीं रही है और उसमें स्ट्रगल ज़्यादा होता है, तो उस प्लेटर पे काफ़ी कुछ परोसना पड़ता है.
पता नहीं अगर if that is a reflection of our society then it's troublesome because प्यार तो होना चाहिए ना सबकी ज़िंदगी में. क्यों लोग लव स्टोरीज को नहीं देख रहे मुझे नहीं पता है. बट मैंने तो किया है, रोम कॉम्स किया है और ये फिल्म लाइक आई सेड 3 साल पहले आई थी. तब ऐसा कोई ट्रेंड चला नहीं था और तब से ही वॉज वेरी श्योर ऑफ मेकिंग इट, दे वर वेरी श्योर ऑफ मेकिंग इट. एंड चलते चलते जब तक मैं प्रिपेयर हुई और डेट्स हुए वी डिड इट. एंड आई कैन टेल यू इट्स कम एट द राइट टाइम जहाँ फिल्म्स that have an independent thought and an independent story are also being picked up by audiences and appreciated. But I don't think love stories नहीं चल रही. मतलब I
As you
think
said,
रॉकी रानी TJMF
films are now become difficult, so deviated field आजकल इतना नहीं चल रही जितने real life incidents चल रहे हैं.
वेल तो फिर हमारे लिए बहुत अच्छा है. Let's take it.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
हेलो एवरीवन.
Hi.
हेलो एवरीवन.
Hi. Hi.
मेरा क्वेश्चन नुसरत नाम से था. मैम आपको ज़्यादातर रोमांस और कॉमेडी जनरल मूवीज़ में देखा गया है एंड नाउ यू आर डूइंग थ्रिलर मूवी, तो इसके बारे में आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
यार जब मैं रोमांटिक फिल्म्स करती थी तो मेरे को लोग पूछते थे कि आप क्या करना पसंद करोगे और मैंने हर बार थ्रिलर बोला है. तो आई थिंक मैंने ही ये यूनिवर्स में डाला और मैंने इसको मैनिफेस्ट किया और कहीं से जाके यही ऐसे ही थ्रिलर फिल्म मेरे पास आ गई. जबकि मैंने सोचा था कि मतलब थ्रिलर करनी चाहिए पर बहुत मुश्किल होती है यार, बहुत मुश्किल होती है. तो रोम कॉम से ईजियर टू डू गाइस, लेट मी टेल यू दैट. बट एक अलग स्पेस था, अलग जर्नी थी और आई एम वेरी ग्लैड आई कुड डू इट एंड इट केम एट द राइट टाइम. आई थिंक आई जस्ट डिड जनेत, आई जस्ट डिड छोरी, तो आई मेरी अलग फ्लेवर की करेक्ट फिल्म आ गई थी.
मूवी का कोई ऐसा पार्ट जो आपके दिल को बहुत ज़्यादा छू गया हो शूटिंग करते वक्त, या कोई ऐसा सीन?
There are a couple of scenes जो I feel like are very close to every girl's or woman's heart. I wish and pray that ये किसी के साथ ना हो, but कभी कभार हो जाता है. I think those I hold very special. I won't be able to tell you more, मतलब वो खराब कर दूँगी मैं. But they're special because you know you get to tell somebody else's pain, suffering. You get to tell what could and could not have happened with them. I feel privileged I think and responsible in essaying that scene. तो maybe इसलिए वो मेरे लिए थोड़ा ज़्यादा close to heart है.
Hi, I'm Shravani. Here. I'm Shravani Mishra.
Hi.
My question is for the director. एक तो मैं सवाल ये कर रही हूँ कि ये फिल्म एक्चुअली क्या मैसेज देना चाह रही है, क्योंकि आपने जैसा बताया कि विदेशों में जाकर जो नौकरियाँ करते हैं उन्हें किस तरह की दिक्कतें होती हैं, तो क्या मैसेज है कि अपनी कंट्री में रह के काम करो ज़्यादा अच्छा है? और दूसरा सवाल ये है कि आपने बाहर के एक्टर्स को भी इसमें पार्टिसिपेट करवाया है, तो उनके साथ काम करना कितना आसान था या मुश्किल था? थैंक यू.
So first I'll answer your first question. So पहला ये था कि ये स्टोरी रेलेवेंट होगी हर इंसान, हर किसी के लिए जो कि see it's about a struggle. It's about a struggle of a woman who's gone leaving her her comfortable environment और कहीं और किसी देश में गई है काम करने के लिए, और वो वहाँ से she wants to come back from she wants to it's a story of survival. तो वो वहाँ से आना चाहती है because she is not in the happy space. So it could relate to anybody in the country. मतलब it could be anything. मतलब अगर if you ask me today, there are so many things happening in our country itself. मतलब it could be abuse in the marriage. It could be like things like that. तो ये स्टोरी रेलेवेंट हो सकती है उन लोगों के लिए भी जो एक ऐसे सिचुएशन में फंसे हुए हैं जहाँ से उनको बाहर निकलना है. सो ये हमने एक बड़े मतलब एक मुद्दा उठाया कि शी स्टक इन द आईसीएस एंड ऑल दैट, बट ये हर किसी से रिलेट हो सकती है. एनी वुमन हु स्टक और हु इज अ सर्वाइवर फ्रॉम any kind of situation. They could relate to that every woman, you know, in everywhere in the world, I would say. And sorry, what was the second question? How easy was how? Actually, it was very easy. As in, I didn't have to do much because they knew their part. उनको कहानी पता थी, उनको अपना कैरेक्टर पता था, तो वो उनको पता था कि एग्जैक्टली करना क्या है. What I ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा मुझे उनको इधर उधर मतलब थोड़ा बहुत कुछ उनको बताना पड़ता है in terms of कि कहीं लाउड हो गए, कहीं सटल प्ले करना है. But more मतलब ज़्यादातर उनको पता होता था. In fact, they had come up with a lot. जब आपने ट्रेलर में देखा होगा तो there's a character who come up with who has a lollipop in his mouth. So he had come up with that. Yeah, you know, I think I will use this. I said, yeah, it might work because you know you don't imagine like a ISIS leader or like a commander of ISIS having a lollipop, which is a very off thought. But then he came up, so it shows that you know they were more interested and they were more invested in the character and the film. So it was not really a difficult task for me to direct them or to tell them what they had to do. They actually knew everything, like they knew what they had to do.
These three actors didn't come for the promotion.
They will come later on. They will surely come. They will. Yeah, they will. It is planned and they are soon going to visit, both of them. The entire crew will be there for all of you, for sure.
Hi. My question is for you, Nusrat. Nusrat, when you're doing a role which is very traumatizing, and you yourself mentioned that there were some scenes where you wanted to be Akeli in real sense, right? But when you are not shooting, then the trauma, was there any trauma that you were carrying forward while your set was off, while the shooting was off? Because playing such a role, I'm sure, must be very demanding. But simultaneously, you have an off-screen life as well. How easy or difficult was it to be yourself when you were not shooting?
I'm glad you asked this because I've been asked this lately, and मुझे भी ये thought अभी आया है that as actors we are eventually human beings, but we take on emotions of so many characters and so many instances that हमें खुद ही नहीं पता होता कि हमें क्या actually affect कर गया. How deep does it really stay with us and go for how much more time are we going to keep in that emotion and thought? We don't really know. So I think we should have a session after we finish a film like that where somebody can bring us out of it, whether it's with like a therapy session or a group discussion, or we really that whole idea ना जब कोई एक्टर बोलता है कि अरे मुझे ये कैरेक्टर छोड़ के दूसरे में आना है, वो छोड़ने का मतलब ये होता है कि अगर वहाँ से वो बहुत इफेक्ट हो गया हो तो he has to come back to his mental health to come back to normal. And I feel like we should have that. We should have that for actors who've done films that are very hard on them, and they should have a session and have discussions or therapy where people are addressing what they're feeling. If they're carrying forward emotions which are really not theirs, they can leave them behind. I think that's very needed, and we should do that.
But were you affected by it?
I'm affected by every film. Chori affected me a lot. I think there were days when I came back from Chori set, I didn't get out of my room for a month. I didn't meet anyone, I didn't talk to anyone because I had never taken on something that much. Even for a film like this, there were many nights after pack up, the whole team would go out for dinner and hang out. I couldn't go for those. I couldn't explain why I couldn't go, but I couldn't. I said I would rather just be in my room, sleep, and just, I don't know, I wouldn't even watch television or anything. I just silent. And I'm telling you, actors are very sensitive यार. मतलब हमें बहुत जल्दी चुप जाता है, लग जाता है, रह जाता है. तो उसमें हम और एक्सप्रेस भी नहीं कर पाते. अगले दिन हमें खुशी से आना पड़ता है सेट पे सबके सामने. हम इज़हार भी नहीं कर सकते कि एक्चुअली हो क्या रहा है हमारे दिमाग में. I think we need the most help because we take on such difficult characters every 3 months, 6 months, and willingly. Can you believe it?
And I hope that you are now off it, and I hope
Yes.
your mental health is fine. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
हेलो एवरीवन,
Hello.
दिस साइड आई एम पलक. हेलो. सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन मैम मेरा आपसे ये है कि आपने कहा कि फर्स्ट टाइम तो बहुत डर रही, आपने मना ही कर दिया बिकॉज इट वॉज डिफिकल्ट फॉर यू, बट नाउ ट्रेलर देख के अब कैसा फील करें कि वाकई ये मुश्किल इतना था या नहीं था? और बाकी मैं डायरेक्टर प्रोड्यूसर से भी पूछना चाहूँगी कि आपने इतने टाइम तक नुसरत नाम का वेट करा कि वही इस फिल्म को करे, ऐसा क्यों, क्या रीज़न था?
मैंने एक्चुअली ट्रेलर से ज़्यादा जब पहली बार फिल्म का फर्स्ट कट देखा था, आई वॉज वेरी प्राउड ऑफ दिस. I think I was very proud of the whole team because मैं बहुत दिक्कतें हुई थी, मैं बहुत difficulties हुई थी, and it happens on every set. There is no film that has a smooth shoot and a smooth run, ऐसा होता ही नहीं है. बट उसके बावजूद जो हम रिजल्ट और प्रोडक्ट निकाल के लेके आए हैं और हम सारे एक्टर्स ने जितने लोगों ने फिल्म में काम किया है, who's playing my mother, my niece, everybody, I think they've touched. I want to watch their scenes again, and that's really commendable because you know they've hit the right emotion and done the exact right thing for that moment. That I was just filled with a lot of pride. I felt like I'm really happy being part of this film and this team. And भले 3 साल लगे, at least हमने सही किया.
I want to add something. So 2 रीजन थे. एक मुझे लगता था नुसरत के अलावा इस परफॉर्मेंस को करना कोई और सोचना कि कौन कर सकता है, इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट. दूसरा हमारा एक थोड़ा सेल्फिश रीजन भी था. ऐसी शूट के लिए आपको ऐसा कोई एक्टर चाहिए होता जो आपके लिए बहुत सपोर्टिव हो, लाइक प्रोड्यूसर्स एक्टर. तो जो आई थिंक नुसरत है, बहुत सी ऐसी चीज़ें होती हैं कि नुसरत ये नहीं हो पाएगा, प्लीज़ मैनेज करना, अच्छा ये आज प्रॉब्लम हो गई है, ये हम ट्राई कर रहे हैं. इसे बहुत छोटी सी बात है, बट एज ए एक्टर के कंफर्ट के हिसाब से देखा जाए कि उज़्बेकिस्तान में जब मैंने शूट किया था तो वहाँ कोई वैनिटी नहीं थी. आप इमेजिन कर सकते हैं कि कभी कभी आप बीचों बीच कहीं शूट कर रहे हैं और आपको डेजर्ट में शूट कर रहे हैं एंड देयर इज नो वैनिटी. एंड देन ऐसा भी हुआ है कि वॉशरूम यूज़ करने के लिए इनको आधे घंटे की ड्राइव, 45 मिनट, रिमेंबर दैट, 45 मिनट की ड्राइव, होटल गए हैं, फ्रेश होकर वापस आए हैं. ठीक है, वो भी ऐसा नहीं कि हम प्रोड्यूसर्स का टाइम वेस्ट किया है, वो लंच टाइम के बीच में कि अच्छा बैकअप आप तब तक लंच टाइम पर मैं जाके वॉशरूम ले करके वापस आ रही हूँ. तो ये हमारा थोड़ा अपनी सेल्फिश रीज़न भी था नुसरत के साथ.
Nusrat, Sanjay Agarwal.
Hi.
Question is to you and to Mrinal. Mrinal, I want to ask you the question that this movie, it's going to run on the box office. So is it going for the Oscars? One question. Second thing is that it's too frightening a trailer. But we watched the trailer.
No, but I really want to know. I want to know what you really thought of the trailer because आप लोग कुछ बोलते नहीं हो यार.
We watched this. We watched the movie Kerala Story, Kashmir Files. So what they're trying to show women, they being raped or whatever. So it's means we can't really watch those movies. And I think this is more of net content, Means I don't know why you guys are making these kind of movies. This is something. These scenes are of 70s, 80s, Syrian war and all that stuff. It's not there. There's no real situation now. So means okay, it's box office, 100 crore club and everything. I wish all the well. But really, it's for the Mrinal. What do you say?
One second. Even though it was in not this time and not this era right now where these stories happen, doesn't mean these stories don't have to be told. I today sit and watch a film which is ages old and I still have the same emotion for it and the same fervor for it. There are stories made of today and audiences are not going to the theatres to watch it. Kashmir Files, Kerala Files, all these films that have come much after we decided to embark on this journey and much before this film was written. So the film was not done to please a certain palette of audiences which have started now. As much as it might look like that, it's not. We're really smart people. We're really creative and we're really passionate people. We had a story, we wanted to tell that story successfully and honestly, independent of what other films are doing and what the other trends are. And I can assure you on that, I don't even need anybody's support on that. If it's frightening, I'm very glad. Because it's very frightening when an attempt to rape happens on a girl. Attempt. Imagine if the actual rape happens. So, as long as I'm an actor, I will keep saying these frightening stories. Whether it's from 2004 or 2020.
Absolutely, and I slightly beg to differ over here with you. A story is a story, irrespective of time. It happens around us. It is happening right now also. I am not specifically taking any names of any organization, but across the globe, this happened in 2014 and not 17. First of all, invasion in Iraq happened in 2014. 3 years back, invasion in Afghanistan happened. So we are talking about today's era, current era, pre-pandemic, post-pandemic. So we cannot really deny the fact that this is not happening. Now, I think also I would like to differ on the comparison with the two films which you named just now, because they completely deal with a different issue altogether. We are here not at all going on to that road, but we are telling a simple story of a girl who has gone for her livelihood and what happens over there and her battle for survival. That's our life. So we are not getting into any of that type of content, but we are telling a simple story of a girl and the plight of the family which goes through over here. The girl who has gone over there, what she is suffering and will she succeed in coming back. So I don't feel it is dated. I very much feel it is contemporary. Secondly, the comparison cannot happen because complete genre is different. And if you look at the entire look and the feel of the film, I believe, and I would like to take your feedback on the same, that it's quite international in terms of look, what you can see, and we somehow managed with our Indian as well as the international cast as well.
Will we screen abroad as well?
Oh, yeah, certainly. We are releasing it across the world.
Any more questions?
नुसरत, हाय, हिमांशु दिस साइड। नुसरत, ड्रीम गर्ल जब आई थी तो हमने आपके लिए ड्रीम गर्ल देखी थी, लेकिन अब सेकंड पार्ट में थोड़ा सा आपको मिस कर रहे हैं, तो
मिस कर लो यार,
आप बहुत
मिस
बिजी
कर
थी या फिर
मैं खुद मिस कर रही हूँ।
कैसा आपको लगा, मतलब लाइक?
यार हम ह्यूमंस हैं यार, दर्द तो सबको होता है, डिसअपॉइंटमेंट तो सबको होती है, तो वो तो मैं बिल्कुल, आई एम नॉट समवन टू मिन्स वर्ड्स एंड से एनीथिंग एल्स, बट हैविंग सेड दैट, एक फिल्म में एक एक्टर क्यों कास्ट होता है और कौन कास्ट होता है, इसका आज तक किसी को समझ ही नहीं है। सो व्हाई दे कास्ट, हु दे कास्ट, व्हाई डिडंट दे कास्ट, हु दे डिडंट कास्ट, का जवाब वो ही दे सकते हैं, मैं नहीं दे सकती हूँ। आई कैन ओनली टेल यू, येस आई मिस द होल टीम, आई एम वेरी फॉन्ड ऑफ आयुष्मान, आई एम वेरी फॉन्ड ऑफ राज, द डायरेक्टर, एंड वी हैड अ ब्लास्ट इन ड्रीम गर्ल 1 एंड आई होप दे हैड अ ब्लास्ट इन ड्रीम गर्ल 2 एज वेल। मैं होती तो और भी ब्लास्ट होती।
हाय मिस्टर।
हाय।
जैसा कि मैं देख रही हूँ कि आप स्टेज पर भी अकेली हैं, बॉक्स ऑफिस पर भी अकेली हैं, फिल्मी पर्दे पर भी अकेली हैं, तो ये अकेली नारी बॉक्स ऑफिस पर भारी पड़ेगी इस बार?
आई होप सो, आई जस्ट होप बॉक्स ऑफिस से ज़्यादा, ये मेरा ऑनेस्ट फीडबैक है, आई ऑलवेज बीन एन एक्टर हु इज मोर इंटरेस्टेड इन वेदर इट कनेक्ट्स टू ऑडियंसेस, तो एटलीस्ट बॉक्स ऑफिस से ज़्यादा ऑडियंसेस के दिल और दिमाग को भारी पड़े, ये मेरा सपना है। बाकी ये लोग देखते हैं इनका क्या है, बस ऑडियंसेस को पसंद आनी चाहिए, उनको उनका प्यार मिले, मुझे वही चाहिए।
Thank you so much, everybody. We end our press conference.
हाँ सर, कोई नहीं।
मेरा सवाल है, जो लड़की अकेली है, रात को जाना चाहते हैं, कहीं जाना चाहते हैं, उसके लिए आप क्या संदेश देंगे? इस अकेली पूरी की बात है।
यार सर, मैं बॉम्बे में पली बड़ी हूँ और मैं दिल्ली बहुत रही हूँ शूटिंग के दौरान। मेरे पेरेंट्स ने आज तक कभी वो डर महसूस नहीं किया कि अकेली रात को जाती है, अकेली रात को आती है। आई हैव फेल्ट वेरी सेफ एंड सिक्योर, बट दैट डजंट टेक अवे द फैक्ट दैट द फियर इज देयर। चीज़ें होती है, आप कभी प्रिडिक्ट नहीं कर सकते कि कब क्या हो जाए, तो आई थिंक सेफ रहो, थोड़ा सिक्योरली काम करो, घर पे बता दो लोगों को कहाँ जा रहे हो, सबके नंबर दे दो, लोकेशन ट्रैक कर दो, सब कर दो, जस्ट टू बी सेफ, कि हाँ भाई कुछ हुआ तो हेल्प कैन रीच यू इन दैट टाइम एंड दैट स्पेस। आई डू दैट, माई फादर हैज माई ट्रैकर एवरीवेयर आई गो, और ये ऑल नंबर्स कि अच्छा वो अभी दिल्ली गई है, वो सबको फोन कर देंगे अगर मैंने नहीं उठाया, ऋषभ का। सो आई लाइक दैट, आई लाइक हैविंग दैट सपोर्ट, सो आई होप वी ऑल कैन फाइंड दैट सपोर्ट।
Thank you so much, everybody. We're not taking any more questions. Thank you. Thank you to.
Can we see the trailer once again?
Yes, absolutely.
अब लेट है। अच्छा एक ना पूछ लो फटाफट, एक सेकंड में जवाब देती हूँ। सॉरी
मेरा सवाल सबसे है, बीइंग अ गर्ल मैं बहुत पसंद करती हूँ कि ऐसी स्टोरीज बताई जा रही हैं।
अरे सर सुनो, सर देखो, आई एम सो प्राउड ऑफ यू।
चाहे लेट हो चाहे जल्दी हो, बोलना जरूरी है, लेकिन मेरा सवाल ये है कि इसको थिएटर या ओटीटी ये कैसे डिसाइड किया?
मेरा डिपार्टमेंट
I genuinely think a film should always be seen first in theaters. OTT is a phenomena which we all have adopted after 2021 and it will remain, but फिल्म का मजा थिएटर में ही आएगा जो हम सबको पता है और हम भी सब लोग वही देखेंगे।
थैंक यू।
थिएटर में रिलीज करके ना अगर नहीं करेंगे तो कैसे
all films are working in theatre. If you take out the numbers of screens in India, पिछले 3 या 4 महीने से हर एक फिल्म चल रही है। सो लोग बाहर आ रहे हैं, फिल्में थिएटर में देख रहे हैं, तो हम भी ये उम्मीद कर रहे हैं कि हमारी फिल्म भी देखेंगे और आने वाली सारी फिल्में जो है वो पहले थिएटर में रिलीज होगी, देखी जाएगी, उसके बाद उसका जो भी व्यूअरशिप होता है।
And I want to really commend those producers and actors and directors जिन्होंने थिएटर में रिलीज की थी जब उस वक्त जब कोई जा नहीं रहा था। It takes a lot of bravery to do that. It was only to keep the industry running and bringing audiences back to theatres because theatres were also suffering. They knew पिक्चर नहीं चलेगी और धंधा कम हुआ ने फिर भी रिलीज किया. That is a very brave thing and I'm very proud of them.
Thank you so much to Team Akeli. Now we're going to see the trailer.
थोड़ा सा आगे आगे थोड़ा सा आगे